Hey there, lifestyle property people. One of the questions that our clients sometimes ask us is, how does the refurb element actually work? And the answer to that is pretty straightforward. On exchange of contracts, the client typically transfers the full refurbishment balance into our sister company, Lifestyle Refurbishments, bank account. On completion of purchase, the project manager goes round to the property, takes the meter readings and creates a schedule of works for all the works that need to be done in the property. The project manager also takes pictures throughout the entire property to make sure that we have a set of pictures before any works have started. The project manager then instructs the refurbishment team to get on and complete all the works on the schedule of works and checks in with the refurbishment team on a weekly basis to make sure that the quality is being adhered to and also the timescales are on track. At the end of the refurbishment project, the project manager then completes a quality assurance checklist. It is a checklist that we do to make sure that all the items in the property have been covered and nothing has been overlooked. Any items that have been overlooked are put onto a snaggings list and completed to make sure that the property is sound for lettings. Then the letting agent is handed the keys to the property and all the contractor invoices are collated and reconciled. At the end of the refurbishment project, the client is sent the full schedule of works, the before and after pictures for every item in the schedule of works, all the contractor invoices, a full statement for all the ins and outs from that particular refurbishment account, and finally, a refund for any funds that we have not used. What that means is that you ultimately only pay for any of the works that we actually do. I hope that helps you understand our refurbishment process, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Goodbye.